Bob here from Nature Photography. This is another series of my videos that's coming out on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed them so far. This video is all about the bird feeding station which I set up a couple of weeks ago to try to attract some birds into the back garden, so I'm able to take some pictures of them. And this is a video to show you exactly what's been going on since I set the station up, which was just, if you can remember, or if you haven't, I'll put a link to the first video for you to have a look at to see how I did it. And this, like I said, this one's all about looking at the birds that have been attracted to the bird feeding station. So off we go. Okay, so let's have a look to see what's come into the garden recently. We had some blue tits, some cold tits, some grey tits, which has been quite nice. Lots of starlings, sparrows of course, and we had some long-tailed tits come in the other day. And of course Mr. Robin pays us a visit every now and then to have a look, see what's going on, see what he can pick up off the floor. So let's carry on and enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like it. There's some pictures coming up at the end as well of some of the birds that have been coming in. So here we go. Yeah, the starling's up there on the perch, but he seems to spend quite a bit of time there waiting to see what he wants to do. I think in the end he actually came down into the coconut and took some of the suet, but after a few seconds he decided, oh, I could do with the feed, so we went in for it. video, just a progress report, shall we say, on what's been coming into the garden since I made up this makeshift feeding station. Seems to be working quite well. I'm quite happy with it. It's on the cheap, you know, and gives me opportunity to take some pictures of the birds as they come into the perches. That's the best thing to do, is to wait till they go to the perch and then go on to the feeder. Watching them is quite important. It gives you an insight into their behaviour, and it's quite interesting to see the birds waiting in line, ready to go in, or even flying in and moving some of the others away, especially the robin on the floor. Seems to be a little bossy little devil. But I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.